Granite Falls, baby. Antique vending machines. Oh, antique vending company. Club Cola. So y'all can see what it looks like. Pretty cool little spot. Old friend of mine introduced me to this, you know. Had to come back one time for the one time. Get a nice frosty root beer, maybe. Sun Drop, OG. Double Cola. I've never even heard of Double Cola. Royal Crown Cola. Man, does that have anything to do with Crown Royal? Royal Crown Cola. Oh, RC Cola. Oh, so that's what RC Cola stands for. I'm starting to get it now. Now, this right here is the real North Carolina Kakalaki Cheer Wine. It's cherry flavored soda. It's good. It's good. It's good, don't get me wrong. OG Orange Crush, carbonated beverage, orange drink. I guess that's Crushy singing his little song. Yeah, $1.50, $1.50. Double Cola. That's pretty cool. I would just like to own one of these machines just to look at it. Sun Drop, Golden Cola, refreshing as a cup of coffee. Man, that's some crazy marketing to drink soda in the morning. It's America. Sioux City, Sarsaparilla, pure cane sugar. Sarsaparilla. Like, this is a cool little sign. Moly to be safe, Ramco to be sure. What? Kendall Motor Oils, GT1 Racing Oil. Like, don't this look like a gas pump or something? Just old school. Like with the old school TVs. I didn't even notice that up there. Look, that's a radio. 50 cents. Alright, we got Sun Drop. We got Diet Mountain Dew. Body Armor. Strawberry Banana. Dr. Pepper, my favorite. Yoo-hoo. 20 ounce bottle. I don't know what that is. Diet Dr. Dew. Another 20 ounce bottle. Dr. Pepper, Yoo-hoo. Yo, he looks like he's straight out of Fallout. That's kind of crazy, right? Is there stuff in here? Yeah. It's cold in there. Be really refreshed. Drink Coca-Cola. Look, it used to be 10 cents. It used to be 10 cents. Do not deposit coin if bottles are not visible. Oh, they're visible. Indivisible. Oh, what? That's a frosty one? What's that one? Are you thirsty? Dude, I want to try the root beer. I really want to try the root beer one. This one looked like the oldest one. Shout out Dr. Pepper. OG Dr. Pepper flavor, or logo, whatever, before they put we got a million flavors. That's cool. So this is what Dr. Pepper used to look like, huh? Run your pockets, man. Run your pockets. Run your pockets. Run your pockets. Dude, this is cool. Alright, I need to find the frosty one. Like, I want to try that root beer. Let's see, is this... I think this one would have it, right? No, that's not even on. So does this one have it? No. know. I want to try this. I ain't never had this. I'm wondering like which one it'd be in. If it's even in here. Like this one is on, for sure. But I don't know. I forgot which one, dude. Okay, here we go. Grape Nehi Sunkiss. Grape Nehi, I don't know what that is. That's a Pepsi. That's a Sunkissed. That's a Doctor's, I don't know, something. Doctor something. Are you thirsty? Like, this is the one I'm trying to get right here. This one. I just don't know if that's the one. Cool Mountain. I don't think that's it, dude. Which one is the root beer? Is this one the root beer? I don't know. I don't know. I don't even know how to use this. I don't even know how I'd use this thing. Alright, well, let's figure it out. Actually, I don't want a can. Let's try this one. Please tell me y'all got the Dr. Pepper. Or, my bad. The Frosty. If anything, I'll take the cherry wine. Let's just see if we can get the cherry wine. Alright. $1.50. We got that. We got that. I don't know what I'm doing, but 150, 75, 75. Oh. 75. $1. Oh, come on, man. Oh, it's giving me change back? Can I take it yet? Did I pay it already? Oh no, I don't want that one. Not the 0. Shit. This one ain't unlocking. I gotta give him more money? Well then take my money. Bro, I would not make it in the 1950s. Alright, now I want the cherry wine. God, dog, bro. What the fuck? Can I take any of these ones then? No? Can I even take this one back now? No. Oh, bro, I'm fucked. This shit just robbed me. I just got robbed. I don't understand this. Here, y'all just eat my money. Since y'all want money so bad, y'all just take that shit. Alright, here we are, Granite Falls. Try to get a soda. Too stupid to figure out these old machines, but whatever. Donated to the whatever. I should have just got one of these. Should have just done the easy one, but no. No. You know what it is. Oh man. You live, you learn. But it's cool. Whatever. God bless America. God bless Granite Falls. God bless Club Soda.